Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday! Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I grabbed over at Walmart for the week. I was able to get all of these items, which is right around $50 worth of products, completely free and almost a $2 moneymaker. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how I did that step by step. But first, the super fun news is we hit 6,000 subscribers. And so as a thank you to you, as promised, I am going to be doing a $20 gift card giveaway. So first of all, thank you so much for supporting me. It's just really hard. It's a lot of work. I spend a lot of time shopping and looking for deals and putting this together for you in a way that I think would be most helpful and beneficial to someone who is new to couponing. This is the video that you will enter the giveaway. All the official details can be found in the video description box below, but the Cliff Notes version is you need to be subscribed to the channel, and I want you to drop me a comment below that tells me the answer to this question. If I could do any money savings related video for you, what would you want to see? Okay, I want video ideas from you all. So for instance, cheap dinner ideas, cheap date ideas, how to pay off debt, how to create a budget. I don't want to give you too many ideas because I want to hear what you all come up with. So again, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and you drop your answer to the comment below by midnight on October 2nd, because I will be announcing the winner in my Walgreens video on Sunday, October 3rd. So let's dive into the deals. First of all, apparently it's National Coffee Day, and if you know me at all, I love coffee. And when I was at Walmart yesterday, I actually snapped a bunch of pictures in the coffee section because they are having a super big clearance. So I posted that over on my Instagram, but I will also include pictures of the clearance items I found at the end of the video. But the super awesome deal, these McCafe Toffee Almond K-Cups. They are priced at $6.47. They were half off at my store. Some people are finding them even cheaper. My store was $6.47, but there are two different apps giving rebates for this. Ibotta gave me $2 back, and then the Shopkick app gave me 1,415 kicks. That's equivalent to $5.66. That made this box of 24 K-Cups completely free and $1.19 moneymaker, and it's good. I actually grabbed 2 boxes yesterday. I opened it and tasted it, and I actually really like it. But again, there were a number of different items on clearance in the coffee aisle, so stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see those pictures. I feel like Ibotta was rocking a breakfast theme this week because I got a lot of breakfast items. If you're not using Ibotta yet, grab it using my referral code because you'll get an additional $10 when you scan your first receipt. I also have a complete tutorial on the Ibotta app if you like to be walked through how to use a new app. So I grabbed this again this week. These little oatmeal cups are 98 cents. I got 25 cents back on Ibotta, making it just 73 cents. I always grab those like less expensive items because it helps me get to my Ibotta bonuses. So I actually hit 2 different bonuses. I hit the $3 midweek moneymaker bonus as well as the, I believe it was a September level 2, which was a $1 bonus. So I got $4 in bonuses from Ibotta on this trip. I also grabbed 2 of the Pearl Milling Company items. I grabbed a pancake mix and a syrup. There is a $1 off 2 coupon in the September 12th Smart Source. So that's why I grabbed 2 of these items, but there's an Ibotta offer for each of them. So this pancake mix is priced at $2.30, and there's a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it just $1.30. And then the syrup is $2.82. I used the $1 off 2 coupon on this haul. So then I got $1 back on Ibotta, making the final cost of this product just 82 cents. There was an Ibotta rebate for the larger size but we wouldn't use it, so I grabbed this smaller size bottle. I also grabbed, this one's kind of funny. So the Kodiak Cakes pancake waffle mix, there's rebates on a few different apps, but when I shop, I'll do my shopping and then I come home and I sit down at the computer and I look at my receipt and I type this up for you all. And I was trying to find this on my receipt, and all I could see on my receipt is something that says dark chocolate. And I'm like, ooh, what did I get that was dark chocolate? Apparently I got dark chocolate pancake mix, which I really did not mean to do. So I'm kind of disappointed that I grabbed dark chocolate. If you've tried this, let me know if it's any good, because I'm not going to return it and get a different one. I'm just going to keep it. But it's $4.77, which is expensive. But there is a $2 rebate on my Fetch rewards. I had a $1.25 back on Ibotta. And then the Makina app that I've mentioned the last couple of weeks, I had 25 cents back on that app as well. So my total cost for this was just $1.27, which I thought was a good price for regular pancake mix. I'll have to try this and let you know if dark chocolate pancakes are any good. It doesn't sound good to me. Okay, if you're not using Fetch rewards yet, grab Fetch using my referral code, because you're going to get additional points back when you scan your first receipt. I also have a complete tutorial on the Fetch Rewards app, and I can drop that link for you down in the video description box below. Last breakfasty item, well, I guess yogurt's a breakfast item, the Coke with coffee. This popped up this morning. It keeps popping up with like a super short rebate time frame. So I think this one said like 18 hours. This is priced at $1.88. You'll get $1.88 back on Ibotta, making it completely free. This one of my favorite offers this week is on the Oikos yogurt. So these are priced at $1.06 each. And at my store, they had 50-cent peelies on them. So I grabbed 3 of them. The limit is 5. I grabbed 3 of them, $1.06 each, minus the 50-cent coupon, and then 75 cents back each on Ibotta, making them each a 19-cent moneymaker. And I'm excited to try those. This deal, I did it last week, doing it again this week because it's a moneymaker. The Breakstone cottage cheese, priced at $1.06. I had 2 different apps with rebates. One was the Ibotta 20 cents back. The other was Shopkick for 295 kicks back, and that's equivalent to $1.18. So I got this free and a 31-cent moneymaker. So awesome deal on that. If you're not using Shopkick yet, guess what? I have a tutorial on that one as well. I'll drop a link down for you in the description box below. But if you use my referral code, you're going to get an additional 250 kicks back when you scan your first receipt. Okay, so I believe that was all of the food items. Let's talk about non-food items. The Suave hand soap. This was a super easy deal. It's priced at $1.97. Shopkick is giving back 465 kicks when you scan it and purchase it. That's $1.86 back, making this just 11 cents. I'm hoping that resets and I can do it a few times. The Degree products. I grabbed a couple of these because there are rebates on Ibotta as well as the coupons.com app. So the body wash is $5.47. I did pay that at the register. Then I submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app. I got $2 back, as well as $2 back on Ibotta. I also grabbed the Degree soap. This is priced at $2.97. Submitted my receipt to coupons.com, got $1 back. Submitted my receipt to Ibotta, got $1 back. Because I purchased 2 of the Degree items, I got a 50-cent bonus, making both of these items just 97 cents a piece. And I tried this soap recently and I loved it. Like, I really, really liked this soap. So for 97 cents, I know I paid for soap. But I still grabbed it because I wanted to tell you guys about it. Okay, this one I did last week on Shopkick. I grabbed it again because the offer actually increased. Now, I will tell you, last week they didn't credit me the kicks for it, so I did have to submit a request to them to update the receipt, and they did in fact give me credit for my purchase. So I'm assuming that's a possibility of that happening again. It hasn't processed yet, but I grabbed one of the women's travel size deodorants, one of the men's, both $1.97 a piece. So that's $3.94. But Shopkick is giving back 1,400 kicks. That's $5.60. $5.60 back. That makes both of these free and $1.66 moneymaker. Last thing I grabbed was a bundle deal. It was a Scotch-Brite sponge as well as a Palmolive dish detergent. I grabbed the cheapest sponges that I could find. That was $2.72 at my store. Grabbed the cheapest Palmolive at 98 cents. So that's a total of $3.70. Now on the Shopkick app, they were giving 940 kicks back for the bundle. That's $3.76 back, making them both free and a 6-cent moneymaker. So while I feel like this is maybe a little bit smaller haul than typical, all of these items are items that are useful. We'll use them or donate them to someone who can use them. So I was super happy with this group of stuff. Like I said, I hit the $3 midweek moneymaker bonus and the September level 2 bonus for $1, making everything completely free and $1.62 moneymaker. Now, don't forget to drop your answer to that question down in the comments below, because I want you entered in the giveaway for the $20 gift card. I don't even think I mentioned this earlier. It will be either to Walmart or Target. I'm going to let the winner choose whichever they prefer, and I will send an e-gift card to them. Hope y'all are having a wonderful week. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. If you're not already following me on Instagram, you can find me at Save with Christina, as well as over on my Facebook page, Saving with Christina. Thanks.